Hello, welcome to the RANsquawk US morning briefing for today, 1st of October. European equities opened up pretty much unchanged this morning, but drifted lower after rumours of a collapse in the Romanian government and following on from poor data out of the United Kingdom and Germany as well. There was also some talk of profit-taking ahead of the non-farm payrolls report tomorrow. First notable data of the day out of the US was somewhat mixed. The weekly continuing claims data declined, however initial jobless came in above estimates. The PCE data came in pretty much in line and led to a rally in fixed income as inflation concerns all but evaporated, with many market participants now fearing a deflationary stage in the recovery. Later saw the release of disappointing ISM manufacturing data, with all three key constituents declining in September. This overshadowed better pending home sales and construction spending. It was speculated that the rise in pending home sales may have been bolstered by tax cuts. As such, equities on both sides of the pond moved to fresh lows, while fixed income spiked higher. WTI crude traded lower for the best part of the session, though has fluctuated since the NYMEX pit open due to volatility in the dollar index. In FX news today, it is worth noting that euro-dollar lost 50 pips today after EU's Almunia said the Eurogroup will discuss euro appreciation and to prepare position for G7. In equity-specific news, Bank of America's CEO Ken Lewis is to step down. And also, Citigroup has successfully completed the sale of its Sumitomo Mitsui Banking for around $8.7 billion. Kraft is said to be close to completing financing for its Cadbury bid, though Pepsi has also been mentioned as a potential suitor. Elsewhere, Cisco makes recommended offer to acquire Tandberg for a deal worth around $3 billion. Cisco CEO also saying that will continue to be very aggressive in acquisitions. Also on the tech front today, Comcast says reports that it has a deal to buy General Electric's NBC Universal is inaccurate, and Biogen's offer for Facet Biotech is likely to be rejected after Board of Directors has unanimously recommended that its stockholders reject the unsolicited conditional tender offer. On the broker move front today, Alcoa has been upgraded to buy from hold at Deutsche Bank. Bernstein has written positively about McDonald's. Foxpit and Barclays cut their Q3 share views on Morgan Stanley. Microsoft has been removed from Goldman Sachs' conviction buy list, while FedEx has been initiated a buy at Deutsche Bank. So looking ahead to the rest of the session, we'll be eyeing comments from Treasury's bar. Further to that, also look out for the vehicle sales numbers for September out of the US for the three big US automakers.